This video provides a clear explanation of several popular radio technologies used in amateur, commercial, and public safety communications. It also breaks down which modulation and access methods each system uses, including TDMA, FDMA, C4FM, and other digital voice protocols. This section explains everything in simple, friendly language. Modulation, the shape of the signal. This is how the radio encodes your voice into digital bits over the air. What is a radio mode? A radio mode is simply the type of digital language that radios use to talk to each other. Different brands and systems use different languages, which is why some radios can't talk to others. What does TDMA stand for? Time division multiple access. What does FDMA stand for? Frequency division multiple access. TDMA versus FDMA. Think of a radio frequency like a one-lane road. FDMA, one person uses the road at a time. This is like a single lane where one user talks at a time. These are the radio modes that use FDMA, D-Star Fusion, NXDN, DPMR, and P25 Phase 1. Let's explain TDMA. When using TDMA, the road is shared by taking turns very fast. TDMA rapidly switches between two users, like alternating turns so quickly you don't notice. Radio modes that use TDMA are only DMR and P25 Phase 2. DMR, Digital Mobile Radio. DMR uses TDMA. The bandwidth used is 12.5 kHz, but divides 12.5 kHz in half, creating two time slots using 6.25 kHz bandwidth each. The modulation used is 4FSK. The protocol type is ETSI standard, Tier 1 to Tier 3. Let's explain DMR a little bit more. DMR splits a 12.5 kHz channel into two alternating time slots, effectively doubling channel capacity. Two users can talk simultaneously on the same frequency. Where is DMR used? Commercial radio systems, such as private businesses, using dedicated business frequencies. DMR is also used in amateur radio. You'll need to obtain a DMR ID with BrandMeister. Fire departments, law enforcement agencies, and public safety also use DMR with Motorola radios. What does C4FM stand for? Continuous 4-level frequency modulation. C4FM is dedicated for certain Yaesu radios, also called Yaesu System Fusion or YSF for short, and uses FDMA. Fusion uses C4FM modulation, which provides clean digital audio and automatic mode switching between digital and FM analog, not a time slot-based system. Where is C4FM used? This is only used in amateur radio and hotspots. What does D-Star stand for? Digital Smart Technologies for Amateur Radio. D-Star uses Gaussian Minimum Shift Keying, GMSK, as its modulation method for transmitting digital voice and data. GMSK is a robust and efficient modulation scheme that allows for narrow bandwidths, which is essential for digital radio systems. D-Star is an open digital communication standard for amateur radio operators. It allows for high-quality digital voice and data transmissions and enables repeaters to link together over the Internet, creating a global network. This linking is often done through Internet-connected gateways and reflectors, which function like a teleconference bridge to connect multiple repeaters and users across vast distances. Why are some systems not compatible? Because each system uses different bandwidths, different modulation, different digital formats. It's like trying to play a Nintendo Switch game on a PlayStation. Same idea, different system. Thank you for watching RF Radio Network. We appreciate every one of you for tuning in, supporting the channel, and being part of this community. We hope today's video helped you gain a clearer understanding of digital modes used in both commercial and amateur radio. Your engagement and curiosity keep this channel growing, and we're excited to continue bringing you helpful, informative content. Stay tuned, stay curious, and as always, thank you for being part of RF Radio Network.